Hey guys, it's your girl Esther, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified. And don't forget, you don't even need to see the rest of the video, just go ahead and click the thumbs up button because this hairstyle is gonna be fire. Listen, I had so many likes in all the other videos that I did, so I'm gonna go ahead and combine them all and say that, okay, y'all really interested in this hairstyle. So I call it the
Brist out,
meaning it's braid twist that I do on my hair. So I know this is not even a real style, but it's the Brist out. So you basically braid your hair and twist it at the end, and then you have a Brist out at the end of the day. So I'm gonna take out my Brist out style tomorrow morning. So I'm getting ready to do it now. Oh, this piece of hair is in my hair, ear, eyes, oh my God. I can't talk. I had a long day, guys. But I'm just excited to do this video regardless. But listen, the edges, I'm due for a retie, and it's not even time for me to do a retie. But anyways, back to the video. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna take out the style, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And I'm trying to stretch to 10 days for me to wash my hair, because currently I am on day 8. Is it day 8? Day 8, yes. Sunday I'm supposed to wash my hair, but I got something to do on Sunday, so I want to look cute during the day so I could just wash it out. So other than that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what you'll need for this style is butterfly clips, tie bows, or tie scrunchies, whatever you call it, but this is what you'll need too. A pomade of your liking. This is the one that I'm using. And then also a mister that'll give you a slight hold but a nice loose touch. This is what I'm using. And these two products you can actually get online, and I will leave the links down below. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and get started for you guys.
Hey guys, it's voiceover Esther here, and basically I am splitting my hair in sections so that I could put it into smaller sections so that I can mix that section up, then separate it, start braiding it, then I'll miss the ends, and then I would add a vanesque on the ends, and then I would leave at least an inch, or I think an inch and a half of hair at the ends that will be twisted, and this will be throughout all the head. So you see here in this section itself, it could have been 2, but I have to split it into 3. If I had split it into 2, I would have had that line of demarcation of being a center part, and it's hard to close that up. So since I went ahead and put a middle section of it, it will basically not have that line of middle part demarcation. Does that make sense? I'm pretty sure it does. But the ending, you'll see. Now that my hair is bristed up, I'm going to go ahead and take Angel Mist and mist throughout my hair to seal in the moisture. Like, I have no parting system going on here, but the ending result is what all matters. Most important part of the night or day or whenever time you're trying to do this style is to make sure that your hair is tucked away and is tucked in your bonnet, do-rag, satin scarf, whatever it is. Just make sure your ends are tucked away. Good morning. How are you? You already know what time it is. I need to hurry up because I'm not trying to be late. Alright, so in this clip, you'll basically see me take Evanescence and put it on the tip of my fingers to basically help moisturize my hands while I take out the Brist. Do you see the luster and sheen in my hair from these two products? Angel Wings and Evanescence. OMG. Alrighty, so basically this is exactly how my hair looked. No filter, okay? So you guys can see that this Brist out is successful. Of course, there's no doubt about it. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. It makes you so seasick. Look at the spirals. But other than that, I'm gonna let you enjoy the slow-mos. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.